Meet Amanda, a double major in engineering and business who found her academic groove and spiritual support at Sweet Briar. With hands-on learning, diverse perspectives, and an ABET-accredited engineering degree on the horizon, Amanda's experience reflects the balance of excellence and inclusivity that defines Sweet Briar. Tell us more, Amanda. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Hey everyone, my journey started with a love for learning and a strong drive to succeed in school. I also love to stay active outside of the classroom, competing on my varsity basketball, track, and cross-country team. Now I'm a double major here at Sweet Briar in engineering and business. I love it because it allows my passion to grow for problem solving and my real-world business skills. One of the things I love most about Sweet Briar is how naturally my academic and social lives come together. The engineering program immerses us in real-world challenges, from civil projects that shape communities to software that powers innovation. Business courses add another layer, helping us learn how to lead in technical fields. I'm also on track to earn ABET certification, which is a huge milestone for my career. And I've had some amazing professional opportunities that provided real hands-on experience in my field. At the same time, the social life here is vibrant. We have events and gatherings all year around. There's never a boring day. Sweet Briar's commitment to diversity has been a huge blessing for me as a Christian. It's a place where all faiths and people are welcome and supported. Corpus Christi is a lively coastal city full of energy. Amherst is a quiet rural town in the mountains. The contrast is striking, but I've come to appreciate such a peaceful setting, perfect for exploring nature and enjoying a slower pace of life. And I'd like to thank my fiance Jaden and my parents for their unwavering support. I'd also like to thank Sweet Briar for having such a vibrant campus social life, amazing opportunities, and for just being a place that I can grow both professionally and personally. I'm so glad I decided to make this place my home. Back to you, Alex.
Amanda, your passion for engineering and community shines through everything you're doing here at Sweet Briar. From sports and faith to technical innovation, your story shows the strength of combining heart and intellect. Congratulations on all your success. We have a feeling your journey is just beginning. Thanks again.